10 minutes to tidy up one room. How crazy is that? So here I am to tell you exactly how you can do that. Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome to another video. So today is going to be a 10-minute tidy up challenge, and if you have been watching my videos recently, you'll know that I have been doing this thing called the 10-minute tidy up, and it is so good. You can do so much in such a little amount of time. 10 minutes to tidy up one room. How crazy is that? Some people have been messaging me on Instagram like, how do you do that in such little time? So here I am to tell you exactly how you can do that. This video is also a collaboration with the lovely Salma ANM, and she is such a lovely girl. She is a mum of 3 boys, and she does videos, lifestyle videos, what I eat videos, hauls, how to budget. She does lots of vlogs and so much more, and her channel, honestly, every single time I watch a video, her videos just keep getting better. So you guys need to go check out her channel because she's very good at what she does, and you guys are gonna love her content if you love mine. So go over to her channel and show her some love. Comment on her video and say that I sent you. And if you guys are new to my channel and coming from Salma's channel, then welcome to my channel. I am Safira, I am 30 years old. I am a mum of 2 lovely little children, 1 boy and 1 girl. The girl is 4, her name is Elisa, and the boy is 2, he is Isa, and they are my everything. And we just make videos about our life. I make videos about cooking, cleaning, organising, anything to do with lifestyle is on my channel. Please click the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications to get notified every single time I upload. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into this video. So my first tip for you is to put on 3 songs. It doesn't matter what songs they are. Most songs are around 3 minutes and they have a little bit extra most of the time. So if you think about it, 3 add 3 add 3 plus the extra basically adds up to 10 minutes. So that is my first little tip, is to put on some nasheeds. I always listen to Muad, Castillo nasheeds, Zayn Bika, Dawood Wants to Be Ali. I even listen to Rhamzan, who's you're going to be listening to throughout the whole of this cleaning video, because he is honestly one of my favorites right now. I listen to him in the car. He's got some amazing albums called Growth. Go and check out his stuff as well, because his stuff's on like Apple Music and probably on Spotify and things like that. So go and check out his music too, because that's what you're going to be hearing now. I'm going to be putting on some of his songs so I can clean up and listen at the same time. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you around this room and show you the mess that it is. I was babysitting my beautiful little niece today, mashallah, and the room is just a mess because the kids were playing in here and it's just not been cleaned up all day. So this is what it looks like right now. As you can see, there's toys, stuff, shoes, stuff on the sofa. There's just stuff everywhere. So I'm going to be cleaning up this in 10 minutes. I'm also going to try and hoover the floor and everything. But just so you get an idea of what the room looks like now, I'm showing you, and then you will see after. Someone asked me what it says on my phone case, and it says mother, just in case you wanted to know. So I'm going to be putting on my alarm, and then I'm going to be doing the tidy up in 10 minutes. I'm going to put a timer on the screen right now so you guys can follow along and see exactly what I'm doing in that amount of time. So I'm going to be playing my nasheed and putting my alarm on, so I'm going to do that right now. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes. Let's go.
10 minutes, starting now.
They call me Rhamzan. They call me Rhamzan.
My time is up, guys. Alexa, stop. Okay, so I thought I had more time than I actually did because these songs seem like they just went on forever. I don't know. But anyway, I just need to finish hoovering the floor and then that's all done. But I took my time with wiping down the surfaces because I thought I had so much time. But anyway, that is all of the room basically done apart from the hoovering. So this is what it looks like now. These things are to take up the stairs. Like when I need to take things upstairs, I just put them on the stairs because when I go past it, I just grab it and take it up. So don't mind that. But it just needs to vacuum a little bit. So I'm just going to do that really quickly now, and then I'm going to talk to you for a second. What the room looks like now. So much better than it was. And relax. So the room is so much better than it was before. I am so much happier. I feel so much like clearer. You know when you just cleaned and it just feels so much nicer than it was before? That's how I'm feeling right now. So as you saw, my plan didn't go exactly to plan, and the 3-song rule did not apply to me right now because those songs were really long. But it's okay because I still got it done. Even if you use the 3-song rule, it is basically the same as the 10-minute tidy up rule because you've got a little bit of extra time, but you still get things done and you're listening to something that you enjoy. So just do whatever you feel like. So if you want to use the 3-song rule, if you want to use the 10-minute tidy up rule, do whatever you want because you know that it's going to get done either way. But I hope you guys got a few ideas from this video and found it very helpful. Go and watch Salma ANM's video because she gives you lots of little tips at the end of her video as well, and honestly they're really helpful. So go and check out her video, it will be linked down below. So if you were going to use the 3-song rule, then I will break it down for you a bit. So the first song, what you want to do is tidy up all of the surfaces. So surfaces meaning sideboards, tables, sofas, side tables, anywhere that is raised off the ground. Do all of that first. Put everything on the floor if you have to, because then you can do it in the next one. Make sure all of the blankets are folded, all of the cushions are put where they're supposed to be, and just make sure that all of the surfaces are acceptable. So when the second song comes on, you want to put everything away, put things in the baskets that don't need to be in the room. The reason that I use the baskets is so that I can easily transport them to wherever they need to be, be it the kitchen, be it the extension room, upstairs, anywhere. I can just go around the house and put everything back to where it's supposed to be after I've done the 10-minute tidy up of the room. Or I can move on to the next room, put the things away in there, do a 10-minute tidy up there, put the rest of the stuff in the basket and move on to the next room. So that is another way that you could use the basket. In this second song, you want to be picking everything up off the floor, putting it into toy boxes, putting clothes ready to be taken upstairs. You want to put all the rubbish in the plastic bag that you've got and just kind of tidy everything up, tidy everything away, put it in its place, and just make sure that everything is in order, ready for song number 3. So with song number 3, you want to get your wipes out, get your surface wipes out. You can get them ready beforehand if you want. I didn't because I forgot, but you can get your surface wipes out, wipe down all the surfaces as quick as you can, and then you can move on to hoovering the floor, vacuum everything up. It doesn't matter if you run out of time at this point like I did, because 10 minutes, it's not a set in stone rule. so you can go over it. Like, nothing's gonna happen if you just carry on vacuuming the floor. As long as everything else is done, it's fine. So that is gonna be the end of this video, guys. I really do hope that you enjoyed this. Please let me know if you want to see some more of these 10-minute tidy up videos. I'll do them in different rooms if you want. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go over to Salma ANM's channel and check out her video, and I will see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.